Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech Tutorial. In today's episode of WebTech Tutorial, I'll be guiding you through how you can block someone on Telegram. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. Sometimes there might be individuals in your contact list on Telegram with whom you no longer want to communicate. In such cases, you'll want to know how to block someone on Telegram. Follow the instructions to know how. Tap open your Telegram application. From the home page, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left of the screen. Tap on Contacts. Select the contact you want to block. Tap on their name or profile picture. Then, click on the three dots on the upper right corner. From the menu, tap on Block User. Confirm to block the user by tapping on Block User one more time. And the user you are trying to block is now blocked on Telegram. That is how you can block someone on Telegram with just a click. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll see you soon with another tutorial episode. Thank you for watching.